How to fix the horizontal lines on your Samsung phone screen. So whether you're seeing green lines, white lines, or just horizontal lines in general, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your Samsung, and then you need to click on Display. Now from this window, you need to click on Motion Smoothness, and then you need to go and set this to Standard. You can then press apply and check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then come back over to the main settings page. You could then scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on software update. Now, if there's any updates available, you'll need to click on this download and install button, and that's another way to fix the horizontal line issue. If it's still not working, you'll need to go and power cycle your Samsung phone. Now to do this, hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down, and you'll need to keep holding these down for around about 30 seconds. Eventually the screen's going to go black. Continue to hold these buttons down. After another 10 seconds, you should see the Samsung logo appear. That's when you can go and release these two buttons, and you can wait for your Samsung phone to restart, and that should have fixed the horizontal line issue.